Hey everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and I am already making this smartphone long time full review gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Redmi Turbo 4 Pro come with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide and the 20 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120 fps 240 fps and 960 fps slow-mo video with EIS. And now I am recording 4K 60 fps. Video quality not bad, so let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like Redmi Turbo 4 Pro video quality? Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a great pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are pretty good. The phone give you almost natural color, and as you can see that we are taking a great pictures. Now let's talk about the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Ultra wide camera is very decent, not as good as the main camera, but it take a decent pictures. And here more some sample. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. Portrait mode you can get two options, 1x and 2x. 2x you can take a great pictures. As you can see that we are take a good pictures. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a great pictures in a portrait mode. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. Sony LYT600 is a very good sensor. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take these types of pictures, and all the image color correction and sharpness are so good. The phone give you almost natural color. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro camera quality. Overall, Redmi Turbo 4 Pro give you balanced pictures. Okay, that's all about our Redmi Turbo 4 Pro camera review. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.